Okay, so I'm going to show you how to change your goals, macros and calories using MyFitnessPal. I'm not going to set any calories or macros for anybody. If you want any of that information, you should probably get onto the members site, or you should talk to your accountability coach about that. So on the top left hand corner there are 3 lines, and that's the menu. So you're going to click on menu, and just down that list is goals. You're going to click on goals. Down the list here, you're going to see nutrition goals, and it's going to say calories, carbs, proteins and fats. You're going to click on there, and to edit the amount of calories that you're having a day, you're going to click on it and just edit the number and just put it in there and hit save. Now, to change your carbs, proteins and fats, it is as easy as just moving these wheels up and down, and you notice as I do that, the numbers along the top will change, okay? So if you have been on the members site, or you've been talking to your coach and you have set grams of protein, carbs, fats to hit, whatever, you're going to want to scroll through these and try and get as close to those numbers as possible. Now, unless you pay for the app, I don't think that you're going to get them 100% bang on. Like I said, you just want to get as close to as possible. Until it reaches 100%, you're good to go. And then the top right hand corner, there'll be a tick, done. Hit that, and that's you good to go.